And think about the lifestyle that you lead. Do you have a business of your own? Are you a salesperson? Are you an entrepreneur? Are you a small business owner? Are you an employee? Do you travel a lot? Even if you're an employee, do you travel a lot? Think a little bit creatively of what will match with me. What won't? Keep a little bit of an open mind as well. If you are doing any traveling, you may not be able to do it through the internet as much as we used to be able to a few years ago. Go down at least to like the hotel, restaurant, bar, things like that, typically during like the happy hour time, even if you're just like having busy water, because men are there, a ton of men are there, and there are some women who are there, who are businesswomen as well. More men travel for business than women do. When I've heard this from the hotel folks, because of like certain stuff that they have at the hotel. They're like, oh yeah, we just don't, like, there are just not as many women travelers. So ladies, when you are, it's go down during happy hour and like nurse your fizzy water in line for like the 2 hours. There are a ton of men there. Sit at the bar, don't sit at a table at the back, sit at the bar where it's just gonna be so easy to like, oh, pardon, would you pass me that? You're just like, there are a million little reasons. Well, you're not trying to pick them up. You never know though. You never know where you're gonna meet, like your life partner, but it's practicing flirting and just having fun. And it's mutually complimentary for everyone.